channel. We're going to see if we get any viewers without the split screen. That I don't know if I like that very much. I personally don't like it. And I hope my brother is cool and didn't take any of that personally. Alright, so I made myself a pulse motor and all that it does is spin. Hello, hello. This one generates, and it generates pretty good. Uses a Litz wire coil. It's pretty good. It's very small, and it generates good nonetheless. All this thing does is move. There's not really a way that you can hook something up unless you put it in here to read any of this stuff. You can put a meter in the little tiny one. I would die to get a little tiny one right here and put it in there and catalog some readings. Maybe an Arduino could go in here, but not really. And not only if it's hooked up, you know, in here. It can't be connected to anything. You know what I'm saying? And then it's totally doable. Totally. And this is all it does. But that's pretty awesome. So how's everybody doing tonight? It's an electromagnetic rotor. This is anyway. And the other side over here was a Bedini SSG homemade circuit using nothing but alligator clips. Bum, 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 bum. Oh man. So I've got these 3 coils. And they're actually pretty powerful. They're not the tightest winds. I wound them by hand. You can't really put this on a drill either. I mean, you could, but you'd have to have some ingenuity to even put it on a drill. So I wound them by hand, but this is the beginning of the flux capacitor if you can't tell. Put those at 120. Really powerful. And they're designed to spin as well. They're bifilers, 20 and 32 gauge. Awesome. They're awesome. All right, let's turn this thing on. I feel a lot better doing this outside, actually, you know? Then I'd let it go. I just, whatever. Let's let it go. Mm. I'm glad I can even stop that thing. what's life without a little bit of danger? That's what a mag level do for you. Yeah. That's pretty epic. Takes a great mind to understand what's going on there, though. Here we got a SSG, Bedini SSG, made completely with alligator clips. Right there in the corner of the table. Everything you need to run SSG. Got a 5-magnet rotor. When a man, you know, offers his hand in peace, and then at the end of the day, after whatever is going on, that hand is redacted, I can tell you that's no bueno. I don't care who you are. That's no bueno. Some people are just really thin-skinned. You know what I'm saying? I'm thin-skinned sometimes, for sure. But I mean, if that was a nightmare of an afternoon, dude, you were very thin-skinned. And I haven't talked to any of those people since that day. I mean, I dropped in once earlier and I said, "Hey, what's up?" But YouTube has changed everything now, so now it's not Papa Bale's pulse motor. It's not Papa Bale's pulse motors. It's M.P.H. JR now. Now it's the tag. So nobody fucking knew I was there. That's awesome. I don't really care either way, but I guess I'm just gonna have to change it. I liked it the way it was, you know. But they're changing stuff up, you know. Look at this right here. What's going on right here? It's actually there's some magic happening here with the 5 magnets. It's slowing down, but it's speeding up at the same time. But it's, you know, overall it's slowing down. But there are these moments where it actually starts going faster than it did just a second ago. And that's because of the way the magnets are distributed, I would imagine. Go check out the Convergence Emergence 369, the channel. It's awesome. Go check it out. There, I can stop it with my hand. Not so dangerous.